Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change frames in Canva. First of all, go to elements option here. If you have already added the image like this and you have also added a frame from here, then to change the frame of this image, you can simply right click on this image and click on detach image option. After that, your frame and image will be detached. Then now on the elements tab, scroll down a little bit until you see frames here. Click on see all. Then select the type of frame you want to add. There are a lot of frames option here. I'm choosing this one for now. Then simply drag a picture like this on the frame. In this way, you can change frame of any image on Canva. You can also use these letters as a frame. There are a lot of shapes and sizes available. So by simply detaching the image like this and changing the frame which you need, in this way you can change the frame in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.